What's that restaurant like? What's Rome like? What's the pizza like? All really useful questions, but how do we ask what something is like in Italian? It's actually quite simple because in Italian, thankfully, we word the question differently to English. We don't ask, what's the pizza like? We ask, how's the pizza? So, how do we do this? We just need two words. Come, meaning how, and meaning is. Come è, how is. We then just apostrophize the word come and bring the two words together to form one word. Com'è, com'è, com'è la pizza? Com'è il ristorante? Com'è il tempo? Be sure to stress the word on the last syllable. Com'è. If we want to ask what are they like? Simple. We just pluralize the verb. E becomes sono. Come sono? How are they? Come sono le patatine? Come sono gli spaghetti? Come sono I biscotti? In a nutshell, to ask what it's like, com'è? Com'è il tempo? Com'è la pizza? Com'è il ristorante? To ask what they are like, come sono? How are they? Come sono I biscotti? Come sono gli spaghetti? Come sono le patatine? Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up as it really does help the channel.